Hi guys, welcome back. This is lesson 20, problem 2B. You should have your module books in front of you with a pencil and an eraser. We are going to go through this problem together. The shape we see in front of us is labeled side measures R, E, C, and T. Each of these letters represents a different vertex in the shape. So remember, a vertex is just where two lines meet, okay, to form an angle in a shape. This is RECT, and we're asked about a few of the measures and angles below. So they tell us right away that RECT is a rectangle. RECT, we can see that. We know this is a rectangle. It looks rather like an envelope. And the second part of this question is going to ask us, well, what else could we call this? What other names does this figure have? And we know that. So they're giving us one name. It's a rectangle, but we know a bunch of other names for it as well. So let's go through the lines first. Line TE. Well, first you need to find line TE. Can you find that right now? Yes, this is line TE from this vertex, this corner of the rectangle, to this corner. Well, listen, we don't know what the full length of the line is, but we do know what half of the length of the line is. From T to M is 13 inches. That's exactly one half of this shape, right? From this vertex to this vertex, the halfway point here, M, is 13 inches. So what do we need to do? Yeah, we need to double it. 13 times 2, or 2 13s, is 26 inches, okay? What about line RC? RC is R in this vertex all the way to C in this vertex. Wait a second. I think they're asking us the exact same question, right? Because from R to M is the same length as T to M. What was T to M? Yeah, line TM is 13. So line RM is 13. So what do? If we want to find RC, we double it. That's right. So again, it's going to be 26 inches because it's just double this 13 inches. What about line CT? CT. Well, hey now, they give us line CT. This is terrific. Line CT is 11 inches. So what must RE be? That's right. It's also 11 inches. Remember, this rectangle has the exact same measure side lengths. Opposite sides are going to be congruent. Okay, so that's 11 inches. Easy peasy. Now, what about the angles? This little arrow sign here means angle. So let's find angle ERM. Here's E, here's R, and here's M. ERM. Well, we know that ERT would be 90 degrees, right? Because that's a 90-degree angle. Those are the easiest for us to spot. And we know that this little part of ERT is 35. So in order to figure out the rest of this angle, we just have to take this 35 and subtract it from 90, because the whole darn angle here is going to be 90 degrees. Okay? So from here to here is 90. But what they're saying is, oh, from here to here, that's 35. So we take 90 and we subtract 35, and the remainder will be this angle right here. So 90 minus 30 is 60. Another 5 would be 55. So angle ERM is 55 degrees. Okay, what about CTR? CTR, well, we know exactly what this is. CTR forms the easiest angle to see. That's right. It is a right angle. That's 90 degrees. Go ahead and write 90 degrees here. Okay, and then we're asked about the other names of this rectangle. No problem. It's obviously a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes it a quadrilateral. And what else? It has 2 sets of parallel sides. These sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. Okay, that makes it a parallelogram. Nice job.